abo Bible no mu bia ni aseni bia wo. That means omo ebo bo mu de no omo ni wiase ana omo ama wiase da. What you say? Na nipa nti ase se atwerode no eye nipa ena
okay
stories look the was oh na come and not and you be a compile look na ka look pass one and na some way be Jesus the story as an nipa Jesus just what Jesus Jesus and that Moses but I'm very say no simran betwem asem saseno testament moda ma mesday be share ma dia me bra ye no enna mba beto aso okay yanti ase na according to this story Moses nyuma oyeye ne nsankyere na na kompa way create the bed so that why first Jesus just it is by Jesus and no correct start Moses Moses for one stories by na compile anu Bible ti Bible se nko nyina ase mo nemo eda nene wo ase eta 14 and permanent no ya so no ya and this and age no no.
Okay.
It is what you of most me that is
for not about the
and Jesus most Jesus Moses
before young for
create to as DB me anyame what ya aya the one and Moses and na the same from Moses no from sab what ya sadia no ya tie so according to John chapter number
John
to 40 verse 45 be a word scripture no
39
39
okay
okay just mo da mususu na mo mususu da mo se kamuji enka muji na mo me na jana ni ana
dimbe
cha onu ni mo trans se baba sasana pavu from what Moses Moses so mujimi
39
what you say sanka muji Moses ne dia me so sanka mujimi dia
na we scroll come
if say enioma Moses ye nyina no wo ye de mame what you say it is Jesus ka asem we ya who asem no wo kan okay yan san ko Bible no
okay
Moses ana eye ahohom what you say Moses na she mra se afi bia duru a abusua bia ewo asase no so asa that time abusua bia mfa ye de enko aforebochi ya nanim
45 no fa ka o scroll come here
abusua bia wo eho sa bre no afi bia duru a won fa na ye de enko aforebochi ya no so
okay
na so de aforebochi ya na wo de ani aye na bia fa koma fa dunia bia menya yes chapter 5 23 what yes anima Moses ye bia ne Jesus no oyedai wono so bekan na mu ankremu amfa ati kas na bi asem menka
okay
tell so say way to put the about na na be mu no sa apology say bia ye na dey do obi abeto Bible no no
okay
a different and a John so do a different emisa say san crofo for we no no cross o mu di Jesus bi achi ana
because
what you say
Saudi obi achi ana na mo ne ne nwuma a wo ye no eno na wo behunu
na behunu no aka ho asem
na adenti na omo antimi anka asem ni straight na obi aka ne dia
what you say
ana na ye daye so
Matthew be ka we ya na mark be dane no
okay
ukọ Bible no anu ameka che o say konfonochi na enkora bi eka che nse kom de wo ene omo anwea ene o ma ne dane aduane enkora ne die no na bi sa ebegum omo di wo ma antimi ani ene omo sori ja ho sa story no omo de be shem e wo de New Testament enti Matthew de enko ana Mark enso de enko Matthew say ma enipa 5000 edu Mark so say ma enipa 4000
which is
mu de you are story and said
okay
what can you me pa so that and yeah
okay
purely until what you some of what who's a cool yeah you my day that Bible yes is so for kawa obe so what be chere ase force the Bible ni an no na ni ma sa me kat sa kwa o me me kra mo 65 ani ye check ni man ai no we be kamus me so and now yeah what ni Moses Moses no you are so eh sister any bad kunku et kunku yeah puppet me but baby am you know baby okay na no scientific puppet sister hey so that so mo ya yasie na ka yasie Christianity never yeah Christian the time Christian no no kind of woni mu sumuna yasie and yasie no what Syrian no so powerful. Just the new Old Testament, Jesus to us. That's chapter 4, number 1. Yeah, so next year, so for you now so himself to Moses and so to that it is plan who ya sisiri stop the mark Christ ayem what so is what and and is medical is all and that can answer that see ya message na make ko to ye aken da so ye asem akama so na ka ya masem bie the only asem make ya kontum e ya odi na me you are just mention so ayas ajansa kese fo suma kuja wasu ba pen na me back na na machia and palace ni wa wu ajansa
me dia wo me le me cha brat me che pia as o tu si me ya o